Hi guys, David Lamarche from CAN2GO, Director of Communications and Marketing. CAN2GO is a building automation system. As you can see next to me, this is a typical CAN2GO controller. There is support for two types of wireless communication. It supports in-ocean wireless and Zigbee wireless. We'll mostly use the in-ocean wireless for in-room, in-zone control, short-range stuff, switches, relays, temperature sensors, light sensors, etc. And we'll use the Zigbee to mesh between controllers, so you actually have wireless control and wireless networking. Of course, in automation, you always have to wire some things. That's why we kept the wired inputs and outputs on the controllers. And same thing for the networking. We can daisy chain and network as well over IP Ethernet. All the points are converted to BACnet IP directly by the controllers, so you can actually, without any gateways, use CAN2GO underneath any BACnet IP systems. For smaller buildings of less than 100,000 square feet, where the payback period is harder to get, you can also let go of all your gateways and dedicated servers and use CAN2GO as a standalone solution. The CAN2GO allows you to manage the building, lighting and HVAC and metering applications through a web interface which comes with the controllers. We can see an example of the web interface here. There is network architecture with multiple devices, multiple objects such as schedules, trend logs, events and all that kind of stuff. You can also import floor plans with zones and codes and monitor from there. So that's what CAN2GO is, wired and wireless building automation for HVAC, lighting and metering as a standalone solution with a web-based interface or underneath a BACnet IP systems. New things this year for CAN2GO, two products. First of all, the TE2 equipment controller, terminal equipment controller for fine coils. Basically, it's a for two pipe and 4-pipe fine coils, and it is enabled with Zigbee communication, so you can communicate from these controllers to your CAN2GO that is sitting in your zone or on your floor. This reduces the price point to control fine coils. Same thing here, we have a damper valve actuator with this Zigbee enabled to control water eating systems, water-based eating systems. Again, this uses the Belimo actuator platform. It's a proportional actuator, but with the Zigbee. So you can deploy wirelessly your actuators or your fine coil controllers. So that's what's new in terms of hardware this year for CAN2GO. We also launched for our WebBMS a dashboard functionality so that people can see in one click what their energy consumption is, what the temperature is, everything inside one customizable interface. Also, in the next few months, check out for announcements regarding block programming. We'll integrate block programming to our offering. Right now it's scripting-based programming, but we'll have block programming in the spring. Also an Android application for the WebBMS. So that's what's new and what's coming for CAN2GO. You can look us up on the web, www.can2go.com.